Welcome to Navigating Blackboard for SPN 1121. This video has been created to provide you with the tools you need to get started and be successful in this course. So let's begin by showing you around. Once you log in on Blackboard, you will see that the course has three major sections listed on the left column: Getting Started, Learning Modules, and Student Resources. Listed right under Getting Started, you will see the title, Welcome to SPN 1121 Orientation. Start here. This is your orientation for week 1. The orientation begins with the title, Meet Your Professor. Here it is where I will include some information about me, my professional background, family, and interests. Continuing on the left column is the announcements. This section is very important because in it I will include weekly as well as some last-minute updates you need to be aware of. Therefore, be sure to check announcements as soon as you log in on Blackboard. Next is the syllabus. This is the most important document that you will need to read and follow carefully. Be sure to read it and print it as it contains course expectations, grading criteria, textbook, and technology information you need to have ready before you begin. I also encourage you to read and print the schedule of assignments. The schedule of assignments contains a list of all the chapters that will be covered throughout the course, including all the graded assignments that will be calculated in your final grade for the course. Remember to read and print both the syllabus and the schedule of assignments after you finish watching this tutorial. Throughout the semester, you will need to access two online platforms, this one called Blackboard and the VHL Central Super Site for the textbook title Aventuras. These are separate websites that are in no way connected with each other, but you would need to access them both if possible daily, and here is why. On Blackboard is where you will find activities that occur within the learning modules, such as discussions, chapter tests, class communication, and where you will submit graded assignments. Anything pertaining to the work you do and submit that is average in your final grade can be found here. Now let me show you what the Supersite looks like. VHL Central Supersite is the place you will go to do the following: read chapter assignments using the V-text, chat with your peers, complete grammar listening activities, and complete some assigned quizzes. In order to use this site, you will need to purchase the book key that is included in the package you should have already purchased before starting this class. This key will grant you access to create a new account and to register for 2 semesters of Spanish. The hypertext link to access your textbook site is www.vhlcentral.com. Please save this address in your internet favorites for easy access. As you can see, you will need to access both learning management platforms simultaneously in order to fulfill all requirements for this course. Now let's go back and continue navigating Blackboard. Next to a schedule of assignments is El Café Latino. This is an open forum or your outside of class hangout place where students can help each other. This forum will remain open throughout the course. Another open forum is Ask the Professor. Here is where you will post questions to me about graded assignments you need more clarification on. Students can also reply, but use El Café Latino more frequently so you can learn and help each other. The next major section is Learning Modules. It contains 6 modules covering chapters 6 through 10 of the book Aventuras. Each chapter module will open after you complete the test from the previous chapter and will close with a chapter test. For example, Capítulo 7 will open after you complete the test for chapter 6 and will close after you complete with chapter 7 test. As a student who's committed to your own success, you would like to know how you're doing in this class. My grade links is where you can go to see your progress of all the work you have submitted. After you read the syllabus, you will notice that I mentioned that all communication for this course occurs on Blackboard and that all messages pertaining this class should be conducted here. Use course messages link as the only email method of communication related to this course, with me as well as with your peers. The last section is student resources. You do not need to access this section regularly, but I do recommend that you do the following. Select the first link and run the browser requirement scan, and select the second link, VHL Supersite Plugins, and verify that you have all the programs listed installed in your computer and ready to run. For an easier experience using Blackboard, use Mozilla Firefox instead of Internet Explorer. You can use any browser you like, just make sure that you run the Blackboard and the VHL plugins first. Next is online tutoring link. Online students have access to online tutoring known as NetTutor. NetTutor is a comprehensive online tutoring service for all subjects. This free service is available to assist you with homework and studying. To access NetTutor, click on the online tutoring link listed under Student Resources on the left. Click Launch to open the NetTutor window. From the list of options, select Valencia College Live Spanish Tutor. You will see a welcome screen that includes the times of available tutors. To start a tutoring session, click Start Live Class link, but make sure you log in during the times of available tutors. The next link is the Online Support Center. This link will connect you to Valencia's support for online courses. But if you need technical support assistance, click the Technical Support link and it will direct you to Valencia's Technical Support Department. Or if you're new to the online student experience and would like to learn tips to be successful, click the Valencia 101 link. All the links under Student Resources will remain open for you to access anytime throughout the semester. Once again, I welcome you to SPN 1121. Let's work together to make this experience a positive and meaningful one for you. Now proceed to the next section of this orientation to learn about the Supersite and register for my course, and have a great semester.